Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you about Sony HDR-PJ430V 32 GHz Full HD camcorder with projector. Let's look another picture of it. On the front, on the side, you can see a projector, and on the other side. Okay, let's see what it can do. Okay, focus on family. Capture family milestone in Full HD 30p and enjoy them instantly with built-in projector. It's very good. The making of masterpiece. Precious moment become even more special the second time around when captured in exquisite rich in Full HD video. That's great. Ready set projector. Built-in projector is very great way if you don't have any screen, any TV, you can put the camera down and open the projector and ready set project. It's very cool. Breakthrough anti-shake technology. Is when you shot a video, you can. It has a lot more smooth videos. Simply stunning audio. Completely your gorgeous video with equally beautiful audio from Dolby Digital. 5.1 channel recordings capture active sound. Add accessory and even Wi-Fi. Wow, it has Wi-Fi. It's very good. You need not to connect it to your PC, but you can connect it to any device by Wi-Fi. Great. HD optimized for TV or web. I like it so much. Sometimes I watch my video in camcorder. It's great, but sometimes in TV it's bad resolution. But this HD camera optimized for TV or web. You can see your HD video in any device and it's great. Okay, let's look to another gallery. Okay. Wow. Yeah, my internet is slow. Yes, you can see a projector bottom here. Okay. And now in where to buy HDR-PJ430V. I suggest you to buy from Amazon. It is only $849 plus free shipping. In stock and sold by Beach Camera. It's a great way to buy and best deal on the internet and check it. Okay, let's see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.